The minimum height for electrical receptacles is generally 12 inches. This measurement typically refers to the distance from the floor to the top of a receptacle box. The purpose of this requirement, as outlined in the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and local building codes, is primarily for accessibility and safety. Placing receptacles of this height makes them easier to reach for most individuals, including those with limited mobility. It also helps to protect the receptacles from damage caused by vacuum cleaners or other floor-level activities. While 12 inches is a common minimum, local codes might specify a different height, so it's crucial to check with local building officials or electrical inspectors. There are exceptions to this rule. For example, receptacles located on countertops in kitchens and bathrooms have different height requirements to accommodate countertop appliances. These receptacles are typically mounted above the countertop surface. Another exception involves receptacles in certain industrial or commercial settings where specific equipment or operational needs might dictate a different mounting height. When installing electrical receptacles, it's essential to consider not only the height but also other code requirements. This includes proper wiring methods, grounding, and the use of appropriate receptacle types for the intended location. Ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection is required in areas where receptacles are likely to come into contact with water, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. Arc fault circuit interrupter, or FSI, protection is often required for receptacles in bedrooms and other living areas to prevent electrical fires. In addition to height and safety features, the spacing of receptacles is also regulated by the NEC. The code generally requires that receptacles be installed so that no point along the wall line is more than 6 feet from a receptacle. This ensures that extension cords are not used excessively, which can create a safety hazard. When planning an electrical installation, it is important to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes. The NEC provides detailed requirements for all aspects of electrical work, including receptacle height, spacing, wiring methods, and safety features. Local codes may have additional requirements that are more stringent than the NEC. It is also essential to use qualified and licensed electricians for all electrical work. Electricians are trained to install electrical systems safely and in compliance with all applicable codes. They can also help to identify potential hazards and provide solutions to ensure the safety of your home or building. When determining the minimum height for receptacles, several factors should be considered. These factors include the intended use of the receptacle, the location of the receptacle, and any applicable code requirements. For example, receptacles used for countertop appliances should be mounted above the countertop surface, while receptacles located in wet areas should be GFCI protected. It is also important to consider the accessibility of the receptacle for people with disabilities. The Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, provides guidelines for accessible design, including requirements for receptacle height and location. These guidelines are intended to ensure that people with disabilities have equal access to electrical receptacles. When installing receptacles, it is important to use high-quality materials and proper installation techniques. This will help to ensure that the receptacles are safe and reliable. Use only receptacles that are listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories or all. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and use appropriate wiring methods and grounding techniques. Regular maintenance of electrical receptacles is also important. Check receptacles regularly for signs of damage such as cracks, loose connections, or discoloration. Replace any damaged receptacles immediately. Also, test GFCI receptacles monthly to ensure that they are working properly. To summarize, the minimum height for electrical receptacles is generally 12 inches, but local codes may vary. This requirement is intended to promote accessibility and safety. When installing receptacles, it is important to consider all applicable code requirements, including those related to height, spacing, wiring methods, and safety features. Use qualified electricians and high-quality materials, and perform regular maintenance to ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical system. Remember to always consult the most recent edition of the NEC and local building codes for the most up-to-date information. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Improper electrical work can be dangerous and may result in fire or electric shock. Always hire a qualified electrician for all electrical work. Consider the specific needs of the installation environment. For example, in a child's room, tamper-resistant receptacles are recommended to prevent accidental shocks. In a workshop or garage, heavy-duty receptacles may be necessary to handle the demands of power tools and equipment. Think about the long-term use of the receptacles. Are there any future plans that might require additional receptacles or different types of receptacles? Planning ahead can save time and money in the long run. When installing receptacles in finished walls, use appropriate tools and techniques to avoid damaging the wall surface. A drywall saw or a multi-tool can be used to cut a clean opening for the receptacle box. Use a level to ensure that the receptacle box is installed straight and plumb. This will improve the appearance of the finished installation. When wiring receptacles, pay close attention to the polarity of the wires. The black wire hot should be connected to the brass terminal, the white wire neutral should be connected to the silver terminal, and the green or bare wire ground should be connected to the green terminal. Incorrect wiring can create a safety hazard. Use a wire stripper to remove the insulation from the wires without damaging the conductors. Use a screwdriver with an insulated handle to tighten the terminal screws. Do not over-tighten the screws, as this can damage the receptacle. After installing the receptacle, test it with a receptacle tester to ensure that it is wired correctly and grounded properly. A receptacle tester can detect common wiring errors, such as reversed polarity or an open ground. Correct any wiring errors immediately. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical work, consult with a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is always best to err on the side of caution. Remember, the 12-inch minimum height for receptacles is a general guideline, and local codes may vary. Always check with your local building department or electrical inspector for the most accurate and up-to-date information. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your electrical receptacles are installed safely and in compliance with all applicable codes. This will help to protect your home and family from electrical hazards. Electrical safety is a critical aspect of home ownership and construction. Understanding and adhering to the NEC and local codes is paramount for preventing accidents and ensuring the proper functioning of electrical systems. From receptacle height to wiring techniques, every detail plays a role in creating a safe electrical environment. Engaging with licensed electricians and staying informed about the latest code updates are essential steps in maintaining electrical safety and compliance.